my channel. So for today's video, I do have a big haul for you guys. So since Christmas is knocking right at our front door, I figured why not show you guys some holiday gift ideas, because we all know we would like some stuff as far as beauty products, some new accessories, some clothing, some shoes, some home decor. We will like it all, girl, because anything you give me, I'm gonna be cool with it. And of course, you guys have holiday parties to attend. So what better way to approach the holiday season than to stop by your local Ross and definitely shop for less and for a more affordable price? Because girl, every time I go into Ross, I know I'm gonna get a good deal. And thank you so much, Ross, for sponsoring today's video. We really do appreciate it. I'm pretty sure you guys are already familiar and already know that Ross is my favorite store to go to. Every time I walk in there, I go for one thing and I end up coming out with like a million things. Am I the only one? Does that happen to you guys? Just FYI, the sweater that I'm wearing right now is actually from Ross. Every single department that you go to whenever you walk into Ross, they have something that you're looking for. Whether you go to the beauty section, whether you go to the clothes section, whether you go to the shoes, the purse, whether you go to the home section, or even just get stuff for your pet, you're always like, yes, I need that, I need that, I need that. Oh, I need this, I need that. They always have the latest styles, the latest trends, everything that is in during the season. Ross definitely has it. Oh, and let me tell you guys something that is probably a secret, but I'm gonna let you guys know either way. Like, just scoot up, just scoot up. You know Ross stocks every 3 to 6 times a week. So every time that you go to Ross, it doesn't matter what day you go or when you go, more than likely they're gonna have the newest thing. So there's always going to be something different every time you go to the store. So don't tell anybody that I told you that, okay? So for today, Ross was very kind enough to send us some cool things here. They sent me a big box of just stuff. There's like makeup products in here, there's like accessories, there's all kinds of stuff in here. Well, obviously, since the holidays are coming, these can kind of serve as little gift ideas that you can give to your family, your friends, your coworkers. So let's just go ahead and get started and get to this unboxing. So the biggest thing that I see in here and that just grabs my attention is this big wheel right here. And this is the wheel of color, and I'm guessing they're just lip glosses. You have your pinks, your natural, your berries, your nude, your reds, your violets, and on top of that, you have 3. So you have the solid lip gloss, you have the shimmer, and then you have the actual color. So you have what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's 3 in each, girl. You're getting 18 products in here. I feel like this will be perfect for someone who's barely beginning to get into the world of makeup. Maybe like your little sister, maybe your little cousin. The next thing that I see on here is this On The Glow kit and a bonus bag included. So let's go ahead and open. Oh, this is so cute. It says, how glow can you go? That is so freaking cute. Okay, so we're gonna open this up and see what it is. So you will get this little bonus bag, which is so cute. It's like holographic. And then you get a peel off face mask here. You have some like under the eye type of little pads here. And then you also get this rose hip facial serum. I love serums actually. Like I love wearing them before I apply my makeup and such. So I'm gonna actually test this out. Oh my God, it feels very hydrating. Oh my God, it feels so freaking good. I think I'm actually gonna wear this. Right. Oh my God, it smells so good. Oh, this would be such a cute little gift set for like your coworker or your little holiday party. The next thing that we are getting are these delicious lip scrubs right here. Look at the packaging though. The packaging is everything. And they're just lip scrubs. I actually never tried lip scrubs before. I've just never been a fan, but you know what? These are like different flavors. You have your mint, your berry, and your citrus. So let's go ahead and smell them all because I'm just so curious. This one is the berry. Oh my God. Oh my God, it smells so good. It actually does smell like berry. Oh my God, it's like legit a scrub. Well, duh, Alex, it's a scrub. Hello, but wow. This will actually exfoliate your lips so well. So you guys know Ross has everything. You can actually go to the little home decor section and pick out like a little cute basket and just stuff the basket with little things like this. Like, you know, lip glosses, little lip scrubs, little facial serums, like with a lot of stuff, even candles or something. And that will be the perfect gift basket to someone. And I feel like you can customize everything, and it will just be a more personalized type of gift. So the next product that we have here is this cute little pink bag or box, whatever this is, but oh my god, I love this. When I saw this, I was like, ooh, they hooked it up, girl, yes. Let's open it up and see what it has. Wow, look at this. So you have a little mirror. Hey girl. You have a little mirror there, and then on the other side, you have some makeup. This is actually perfect for a gift. You have eyeshadows, you have a highlighter, you have a bronzer, you have a brush right here, you have an eyeliner, you also have a lipstick, you have a mascara in there. This is so freaking cute, guys. Next thing that I see on here is this hydration station, and it actually includes a facial spray, a gel mask, and a facial cleanser, and they're all rose water, girl. Rose water is very, very popular nowadays in the beauty community because they say that it's going to keep your face moisturized and it keeps your makeup on point. So guess what I'm about to do? I'm about to spray this rose water on my face right now and see how it works out. And you also get that little cute gift bag as well. So this is what the rose water looks like, and we're just going to go ahead and spray it on our face. Why not? Ooh. Oh my god, it smells so good. Whew, girl, yes. Oh, I love this. Ooh, and it kind of made my highlights stand out a lot better. That's a plus. So next we have this big brush set right here. Look at this. This is so gorgeous. You even have your own little travel bag here. It says Glamour. So cute, guys. So you have a powder brush, an angled brush, a large foundation brush, an eyeshadow, an angled eyeshadow, a lip brush, a precision concealer brush, and a dual lash and brow brush. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brushes. This is the perfect gift set right here for someone. A girl can never have enough brushes, like never. If they love makeup, this will be the perfect thing to get them. The next thing we have here are these little glitter bath salts. They're like sparkling rosé. And the cool thing about these is that they have glitter. So just imagine, that would be so relaxing and just so cute. So I'm gonna smell it because I smell everything, plus everything that says rosé. Girl, yes. Oh my god, it smells so delicious. Oh yes, I'm gonna definitely try this out tonight because your girl needs to relax and I need this. I feel like that's how happy I am right now. So next we have this relax, refresh, and recharge type of bath kit here. Isn't this just so pretty, guys? Like, look at the packaging. It's like rose gold. You have a body scrub, you have shower gel, you have, I think that's like a little bath bomb type of thing. You have a cute little pink loofah here, and you have a shower cap. That is so cool because I honestly have never owned a shower cap, so this will be so freaking useful because I need one. But girl, oh my god, this is so cute. And last but not least, what I have in this box, and it's probably my favorite thing ever, you get a whole little travel makeup case. You can find this at Ross. This is like incredible, so cute. So let's open it up because I've been waiting to open this thingy. And open it like this, and then oh, you have a mirror there. Yes, this will be perfect when you travel because you can just place it down and you can just do your makeup in front of it. This is perfect. So you do have some makeup there, and you do have some eyeshadow, some mascara, and a little brush. And then whenever you open it up, it just gets bigger and bigger and bigger. So you do get some lipstick, some lip liner, you get some blushes down there. Look, it just never stops. You have some bronzer, some blush, oh, you have nail polishes down there, guys. So cute. You have an eye primer, a lip primer, more brushes, and imagine reusing this case for something like this. Is perfect for travel. This is just perfect. Ross does have the most perfect travel essentials for everyone, so this will be a perfect gift for someone who just loves to travel. I cannot wait to travel so that I can use this baby. I just love it. So I think that is it. Our box is now empty. I just can't believe that Ross sent us all of these products for such a low price, guys. Like, just imagine, you can buy all of this and just not spend a lot of money. So yeah, if you want to find a Ross location near you for the latest styles and trends, go ahead and click the link down in the description box. Also, don't forget to follow them on their Facebook and their Instagram. Everything will be listed down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, click that little bell notification right next to that. That way you guys won't miss on any of my future videos. And thank you so much for all the love and support, guys. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.